welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, baked tortilla triangle. It's a very simple and tasty recipe. You must try this. Let's go into the recipe. For this recipe, we need 1 pound of minced beef. Heat a skillet. When it's hot, you can add the beef and break the meat as it cooks. Cook until there is no pink remains. Drain any extra grease from the skillet and return to the heat. Add chopped onions and garlic, mix it well. You can add the taco seasoning, tomato paste, salt and pepper to taste. You can add peppers of different colors 1 cup and add little water and stir until well incorporated. Stirring frequently until all of the meat is brown. It takes about 5 minutes. Once it's done cooking, you can remove from the heat and set aside. Here we are using the burrito size large tortilla. First dip the tortilla in the water and then you can cut it into half. Take 1/2 and place a slice of cheese or shredded mozzarella cheese. And you can put minced meat in the middle and top it with more cheese. Then you can glue the sides of the tortilla and fold it in a triangle shape and place it in a circular dish. You can do the same with the remaining other pieces of tortillas. Finally, you can top it with more shredded mozzarella cheese, and then you can bake it in the preheated oven 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until the cheese melts. Once it's ready, you can remove from the oven. You can pull apart and serve it immediately. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.